shades. Go down. Did they get bored? Yeah, I think the moles are.
That's horrendous, that.
They're so fast. Hi guys. Don't be frightened. It's a funny looking one here. They always end up having a wee across the scale. They are fucking cute. Over there.
Yep.
Little old man face. I think the thing is you heard that. They're very cute.
Yeah, how is this one going?
Cute. Quite nice that looking river. Look at that. Red update one.
Hey. That's not nice, huh? House, isn't it?
Do we go straight on?
Side of the fence all the way across this bloody.
Hi, funny face.
Hey, yeah.
I don't mean that.
You got black lipstick on.
Can we have that once to move in?
Look. I've got bloody lumps of crap. Gone over the edge. Bypass now by a new bridge. Is it a bit damp and a bit?
Yeah.
Look at that
When I
place.
was talking to my manager yesterday,
Yeah.
who I sent this to Bolton.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we were talking about him. Knows his stuff.
Yeah. I think it's here. Is it that there?
Unit.
Aye. Can't see it on the camera. Bloody hell. That was tight. Scrap.
Up there now.
So we're all.
It's going.
Little Ford there maybe. Yeah, we're on track. Ooh.
that we're in next to your house as well.
Got an outside sink. Yes, we'll see what we can see, but the pipe for hello.
Come on. This one.
Hello. You okay?
Hey kid.
Faces. Come on. If you get down to there, you're beautiful, aren't you? Hey?
Oh, darling. Hello.
What do you call it?
Little Bo Peep me. Come on, babies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so, yeah. Through this field here before the house. Yeah, through this. Right, is it?
But I don't think you'd eat a ham sandwich.
Yeah, he said you wanted to be close to.
I want.
Meh.
I've not got anything. Your new friend.
Got a lamb sandwich. Hey. It's still up there.
So fast.
That's why have greyhounds chasing them. Well, need some grip or something, like some nails putting in there. Right, moonwalking. That's where we're going.
Lovely. Probably.
That's just looking biz. I'm peeling a tangerine. Ta.
Got pips.
What, pips?
Yeah. Right.
What's the back?
God, they are slippery, aren't they? Proper lady, Ray.
Right, where's the path go? That's
All
what
the shit.
I want to see. There. I can stay. Bloody mess. That was a house or something.
Really old. there, but...
Yeah, watch out. Supposed to turn.
Yeah. It's not walk toxic.
Well, this one here apparently is lower flass.
Right, okay.
Here, go. Ooh, what do you need? Probably come across by the look of it. Tell you what, that stinks.
Ow, you fucker. Like it.
Path down there.
That one.
Yeah. Whee! Right, I got it. Ta.
This one at the top.
What the? Yay! That's slippy.
Hold on. Down.
Can't remember now. Forgotten. End of March, isn't there?
Collapsing a little. New friends. Aww.
Hey,
Yeah.
down there. Bolton by Lancashire, is it? The Bolton by...
Christmas sticker.
Yeah, 1716.
Lovely. So these are, I bet these are about the same. Well,
Little windows in that place there.
cracking that, isn't it? Aren't we?
Through there, weren't they?
Yeah.
The horses. Sort of culture horses there. That row of cottages. Can you just see the thing, you know, the wall, the face?
Down to the ground.
Should we go left and have a look up there?
See what it's like.
It might be one for the future.
Nothing else. Then
It's probably
well, it's great coach. We'll look at the ambience first.
right round the
Certainly
back.
look
Duck lips.
quite nice. Yeah, we're going in.
Is that the shop still open?
Yeah. Can't be many, can it?
What is it?
Very silent, yeah.